Hola, hola, clase. Today we're looking at the vocabulario of 3-2. It's on more ropa, describir la ropa. We've learned a bunch of the clothing words last time. Today we're going to learn about different colors, patterns, designs, materials, that kind of thing. Some ways to describe la ropa. Muy bien. First of all, we need to talk about talla versus número. Your talla, they both mean size, but talla is size of everything but shoes, and número refers to the size of your shoes. In Spanish, they ask what shoe number you are because shoes are always done in numbers, kind of like in English. But they would say the question for shoes would be ¿Qué número usas? What number do you use? Yo uso un número 12. Yo uso un número 6. With everything but shoes, it's talla. Repita en clase la talla. And the question for that one becomes ¿Qué talla llevas? What size do you wear? Remember, llevar is to wear. Super important verb when we're talking about la ropa. So, take a look, chicos y chicas. First of all, we have to take a look at el material called lana. Clase lana. Lana means wool. And if something is de lana, it's made of wool. Muy bien, clase. Repitan. De lana. Muy bien. Next is de algodón. Algodón is cotton, probably the most common material used. And repiten, clase, de algodón. De algodón. Un material diferente es cuero. El cuero is leather, de una vaca. Muy bien, el cuero. Repiten, clase, de cuero. Muy bien, muy bien. Okay, so let's take a look at colores for a moment. This sheet that we're looking at here jumps around a bunch on the vocabulario that it uses, but we have colores claros and we have colores oscuros. Claro literally means clear, but what it means is light, as in light colors versus oscuros, oscuros meaning dark. That one's a direct translation. Let's look at our colores. I think we've learned these a bit in the past, but it'll be a good refresher either way. Chicos y chicas, amarillo. El color amarillo. Repiten, clase, anaranjado. Anaranjado. Repite clase, azul. Azul. El color aquí es, repitan, blanco. El color es blanco. El color aquí es gris. Repiten clase, gris. Este color es morado. Repiten clase, morado. El color es negro. Negro. For brown, they call it of the color brown. So clase de color café. It's a 3-word one. De color café. Este color es rojo. Repitan, rojo. Rosado. Rosado. And este color es verde. Verde. Remember that colores are adjetivos, so the endings need to match on all but de color café. So, la camisa, the shirt, la camisa es negra. Las camisas son azules. But since it's de color café, it doesn't work like other adjectives. Las camisas son de color café. That's how you'd phrase it. Okay. We have a couple other colores, which they didn't really talk about earlier, but they just drop them here. Plateado comes from the word plata, for silver. This means kind of like silverified. That's the color name. The color silver is plateado. This dorado means gold or gold colored. Well, the word oro is gold. Dorado describes something made of gold or of the color gold, dorado. You might have heard of the legend of the city of El Dorado. That's because they thought the city was made of gold, El Dorado. Okay, and so we have caro and barato. When you learn about ropa, it's important to know if it's going to be caro, cuesta mucho dinero, o barato, no cuesta mucho dinero. ¿Vale? Como caro, barato. Caro cuesta dinero, barato no cuesta mucho dinero. We have a couple other words. We have incómoda and cómoda, two opposites. Cómoda, incómoda. Cómoda is close to a cognate for comfortable, and incómoda, if you remember that one, is pretty easy for uncomfortable or incomfortable in Spanish. Is kind of how it goes. Let's say cómoda, incómoda. Sí, para mí la corbata no es cómoda. El traje no es muy cómodo. El traje es elegante, pero no es muy cómodo, en mi opinión. Take a look at los diseños real quick. At diseños. Repita en clase. Es de rayas. Stripes are de rayas. Plaid is de cuadros, literally of little squares. Clase de cuadros. Polka dots are de lunares. Repita en clase. De lunares. And if it's plain, no pattern or no design on it, it's liso or lisa, liso. I think that's it from the vocabulario, chicos y chicas. Hasta luego.